International Medical University, Bukit Jalil Campus. Location, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Qualification, first degree in biomedical science, a doctoral level qualification in related discipline, experience in clinical laboratory, particularly in the area of cytology or pathology. Pancake Medic Sed BHD. Location, Selangor, Malaysia. Qualification, BE in biomedical engineering. Role, biomedical engineer, and contact the number displayed. Illumina. Location, South Korea. Role, field service engineer. Qualification, typically bachelor's in electrical or electronics, engineering, mechanical engineering related degree with knowledge in biotechnology, biomedical industry. Experience, 2 to 5 years of relevant experience. Intuitive surgical. Location, South Korea, Seoul. Role, field service engineer. Qualification, minimum bachelor's degree or more in biomedical engineering, electronics or mechanical engineering. Experience, 0 to 2 years of field service experience preferred. GE Healthcare. Location, South Korea. Role, field service engineer, MRI or CT. Qualification, electronics engineering or biomedical engineering degree or equivalent degree level preferred. Metro IVF. Position, trainee embryologist. Location, Kuala Lumpur. Qualification, background in biomedical or reproductive science. Experience, no prior experience required. Training will be provided. Responsibilities, assist in embryology lab tasks and reproductive technology. Quantum Medical Solutions. Location, Selangor, Malaysia. Roles preferred, junior biomedical technician, 1 year experience. Senior biomedical technician, 3 years of experience. Biomedical equipment specialist, autoclave specialist, 6 to 8 years of experience. Qualification, BE diploma in biomedical engineering. NG Tengfort General Hospital. Location, principal biomedical engineer in healthcare. Location, Jurong East West region. Experience, 10 years of experience in service and maintenance of medical equipment. Visit the website for further details. Malaysian University of Technology. Location, Johor, Malaysia. Role, PhD candidate in biomedical engineering. Qualification, first class bachelor degree in electrical, electronic, biomedical engineering or master holder in electrical, electronic or biomedical engineering. LabLink. Role, clinical laboratory scientist. Location, Johor Bahru and Pasir Gudang. Qualification, bachelor's degree in biomedical science. Experience, laboratory testing and result reporting experience. Responsibilities, obtain and analyze specimens in a clinical setting. Sunway Medical Center. Role, medical lab scientist, molecular. Location, Bandar, Sunway. Qualifications, bachelor's degree in biomedical science or equivalent. Experience in molecular diagnostics. Responsibilities, perform molecular testing and quality control. MP Biomedicals, Asia Pacific. Role, senior research engineer. Location, Pioneer. Qualification, bachelor's or master's degree in biomedical engineering. Experience, design and development experience in lab instruments or medical devices. Responsibilities, focus on sample preparation equipment. KK Women's and Children's Hospital. Role, assistant engineer, biomedical engineering, permanent or in contract. Education, diploma in electronic, electricals, biomedical, mechanical and electrical engineering or NITEC, higher NITEC. Experience, at least 4 years of experience in Tan Tock Seng Hospital. Role, senior biomedical engineer. Education, biomedical engineering. Location, Novena Central Region. Apply by the link displayed. University of Miami, UHealth Department of Clinical Engineering. Role, biomedical technician. Organization, University of Miami, UHealth Department of Clinical Engineering. Location, United States. Qualification, high school diploma or equivalent. Experience, minimum 6 months of relevant. Contact the number displayed. About laboratories. Location, Alameda, CA, United States. Job role biomedical engineer. Qualification bachelor's degree with 10 years of experience in research in industrial or academic setting. Doctorate degree with 4 years of industry experience. For the further details, contact the number given. Danbury Hospital, location United States. Job position biomedical engineer. Qualification bachelor's degree in biomedical engineering, electronics or relevant engineering. Experience 0 to 3 years of experience. For further details, contact the number displayed. Abbott Biotechnologies, location Cambridge. MA, designation Process Development Associate. Education requirement bachelor's degree in chemical engineering, biomedical engineering, biochemistry, biotechnology or related field. Skills required CGMP, cell culture translocation, laboratory experience. Francis Medical Care, location Cremona, Italy. Role senior R&D engineer. Qualification degree or similar education in bioengineering, mechanical engineering discipline. Experience 7+ years of experience in a similar role. Email to the number displayed. Distal Motion, location Switzerland. Role post-market surveillance specialist. Work mode on-site. Education requirements bachelor's degree in relevant field. Experience 5 years of hands-on experience in post-market surveillance, regulatory affairs or quality assurance in medical device industry. The Ottawa Hospital, location Ottawa, Canada. Role biomedical engineer technologist. Basic requirements electronics technologist diploma, 3 years of experience from accredited institution. Minimum of 6 months relevant experience. Apply to the website displayed. Aliza Medco, location Markham, Canada. Role biomedical engineer, sales representative. Job requirements college or university degree preferred. Medical device sales field experience preferred. Valid driver license with acceptable driving record. Job types full-time, permanent. Als Veterans Health Administration Medco, location Durham, North Carolina. Designation Chief Biomedical Engineer. Education requirement relevant degree in biomedical engineering or related field. Work schedule will be permanent, full-time.
NMC Healthcare, position biomedical manager. Qualification degree in biomedical engineering or equivalent field is required. You can directly apply through this given website. Next, organization name Ajman University, location UAE. Role biomedical engineering technician. Qualification bachelor's degree in biomedical engineering or technology is mostly preferred. Experience a minimum of 3 years experience is mostly preferred. You can directly contact through this number. Next, company name Biomedical. Job title biomedical engineer. Job location Al-Kuwait, Kuwait. Experience 3 to 5 years. Education, any graduation is preferred. Vacancy is one vacant. You can directly apply through this given details. Next, hospital name Oslo for establishing and managing hospitals. Location Hawali, Kuwait. Role sales representative. Qualification bachelor's degree in biomedical engineering. Prior experience in medical or dental sales is mostly preferred. You can directly apply through this given mail ID. Next, company name Gulf Truck LLC. Role biomedical engineer. Location Dubai, United Arab Emirates, UAE. Experience is 1 to 6 years is mostly preferred. You can directly apply through this given company website. Next, company name AMMCS. Position biomedical engineer. Location Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. Experience required 3 to 5 years is mostly preferred. You can directly apply through this given company website. Next, hospital name Adam Vital Hospital. Role biomedical engineer. Education Bachelor's of Technology in Biomedical. Experience 1 to 10 years is mostly preferred. You can directly apply through this given website details. Next, hospital name Astra Hospitals. Role biomedical engineer. Education, any graduation is preferred. Experience 6 to 10 years in relevant field. You can directly apply through this given company website. Next, company name Vectress. Role biomedical technician. Education, any graduation. Experience 3 to 5 years is mostly preferred. Location United Arab Emirates. Company website is given below. You can directly apply through this given details. Next, company name Biomedical. Job title Biomedical Engineer. Job location Al Kuwait. Experience 3 to 5 years in relevant field is preferred. Education, any graduation, you can directly apply through this given details. Next, company name NMC. Job title Biomedical Engineer. Experience 3 to 5 years. Job location Dubai, UAE. Education bachelor's degree in biomedical is mostly preferred. You can directly apply through this given details. Next, company name, client of TalentMate, job title, biomedical engineer, experience 2 to 4 years is mostly preferred, job location, Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. You can directly apply through this given details. Next, company name Response Plus Medical Services. Job title Biomedical Engineer. Experience 3 to 10 years is mostly preferred. Job location United Arab Emirates. You can directly apply through this given details. Next, company name Star Services LLC. Job title Medical Equipment Sales Manager. Experience 3 to 7 years is mostly preferred. Job location United Arab Emirates. Education, any graduations you can apply through this given contact number. Next, company name G Healthcare. Job title ECT Field Engineer. Experience 1 to 2 years is mostly preferred. Job location Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Education requirement Bachelor's of Technology or Engineering is mostly preferred. You can directly contact to this number. Next, company name ABN Corporation. Job title Sales Manager. Experience 3 to 8 years is mostly preferred. Job location either Qatar. Education Bachelor's of Technology or Engineering is preferred. One vacant is there. You can directly contact through this number. Follow for more updates on international biomedical job updates.